everyone, this is Siraj. Welcome to my channel Expert Learning Academy. Today we are going to learn how to rename multiple sheets and hyperlink. So let's start. So now you can see that there is name to all districts names where fractions of seconds. How? I just want to rename this I just want to rename district wise. Now you can check it here. This is Angol, Balangir, Balasore, Baragan, and this is the master sheet where I have mentioned all the district names. So when you click over here, Angol, show the data, and when you want to back to the master, you click on master, and you can come to the back to the main page, master page. So let's start. For reference, I have picked the all district names here. So what you have to do, just select all the seat, select all the data, go to insert, click on pivot table, then click on, then select existing worksheet. When it is asking for a location, then click on location. Click anywhere in the Excel sheet, excluding the sheet name. Anywhere like here, but don't click over here. Yeah. So I'm just clicking here and then click OK. Now you can see that you will find a pivot table fields named as sheet name. Select the sheet name and you'll get the data here, and then drag the sheet name into filters. Okay, then you will get the data like this. Then again go to the analyze menu and click on option. So option and show report filter pages. Click on show report filter pages. Then you will get the dialog box of show report filter which contains the sheet name, and then you just have to click on OK. And now you can find that all the 30 district names are here. Isn't it a great idea? This is less time consuming. So this is all the Dhenkanal, Gajapati, Ganjam, Jagatsinghpur. So all the data we get at one shot in just place in very minimum time. It's just the right command on Excel. Now again, what we are going to do that come to the master page. This is the sheet on the master page. I'm just renaming to master, and we have to link all the data. You can delete it here if you want. I don't require. If you don't have a requirement, that you can delete that. Now what we are going to do, that when I click on any district, it will take me to the same particular page, same particular sheet. But you can ungo, then it will. When I click on Angul, then it will take me to the Angul page. When I click on Balangir, then it will take me to the Balangir page. So let's see how. Use equal to formula equal to hyperlink link location. For link location, you have to use double column hash single column, then double column, then add, use the formula, then link location is equal shows A2, and then again add, close the link location. It's hash double colon semicolon exclamatory A1. A1 is used for the link uh, friendly locations name is the underscore, and then double colon comma again underscore. You click on underscore, then it will take to the underscore page. Now just you have to freeze the A2 bar. Just you have to freeze the sorry. Click on F4 and then freeze the, and then again what you have to do, so drag the data. Now when you click on column here, just freeze. So understood. Understood. Now this is, hope you understand that copy this formula here, weighted clarity. Again you can type the data hyperlink for link location hash double column hash and then single column and again double column and then use and then link location is ungood and then close it, double column single column and exclamatory. Then you can jump to A1 for the seat name means ungood. You have when you click on the when you click over the link, then we take ungood seat and then close it. Friendly name you can type anything. I click on ungood to understand you betterly, but if anything like here it's working on uh, it's worked here. How to link means we have linked from master sheet to subordinate sheets. Now you have to link from subordinate sheets to master sheets. How? First, it's possible, but it's only done in one page. How did you do it from every page on every page? So there is a technique. Just what to do one thing: select all sheets except master, and then start. Put the formula here: hyperlink double colon hash semicolon for the master. Put the name here. Close double colon semicolon exclamation mark, and then use uh, take any cell like a B4 as use. You can take any, you can choose any cell and then close it and before double colon close and then comma and then again close. Return. Okay, let's go back to home. And then put on enter. It will be done in every page. Let's see. Click on Baleswar, Baleshwar, click on Bhadrak, and it will be click on Bhadrak. When you click on Devgarh, you will get Devgarh, Kendrapada, and Kendrapada. This is overall formula. Please do comment me how the video is, and please do share, like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.